How to record 4K 120 FPS video on iPhone. Let's get started. First out, make sure you are using the latest version. For that, launch settings. And then head over to the option general. Click on software update. If you found any updates, just update your device to its latest version. Once you do that, you can close this. Then launch your camera app. Now set it to video. Now at the top left, you're gonna find the resolution. Click on that. Set it to 4K, and for the frame rate, you can set it to 120. If you're unable to do that, close this. Now launch your settings app. Scroll down and navigate to the option camera. Now head over to the option record video. From here as well, you can customize that setting. Check in for the option 4K at 120 FPS. With that, it has been enabled. So this way you can easily record. Once you set it, you can launch your camera and record the video. So this way you can easily record 4K 120 FPS video on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.